The list of side hustle apps that I currently do is now down to only 3 apps. So I'm going to show you what a day in the life looks like of going out and doing these side hustles. First thing that I do is I turn on Uber Eats and DoorDash. Usually I try to leave in the morning, like 6:45 in the morning or 7. And a lot of the places where there's going to be these gigs are just simply not open. Sometimes like Home Depot or Lowe's will have gigs. So I always check Field Agent. I always check the 2 other apps that I'm going to talk about in this video. The first app that I want to talk about is one that's been keeping me the most busy, and that one is going to be Hetal. This is an app very similar to Field Agent and Moby. The difference is gigs are going to be a little more involved, but they're going to pay a lot more. So the ones that I've been doing are at Sprouts, Target, and Walmart had a lot of them. I would recommend, if you're doing this for the first time, look for the Sprouts one. There's one that's like $5 to $7, and you just have to go there and then take a video of 4 sides of this like display called Forager Finds. And then also the convenient part is there's a lot of multiple gigs at the same store. So while I was at Sprouts, I did that one, and then there was another one. But the other ones that pay more are going to be more involved. So you're going to have to find like 22 different aisles. You're going to have to find the displays. With Target, they give you the aisle number. I think with other stores, they'll give you the aisle number, which makes it a little bit easier. And then what you have to do is they tell you what aisle, and then they tell you like the brand, and they give you the logo of what they're looking for. So it could be kind of hard to find because you don't see it what the actual packaging looks like. You just see the logo. But you go left to right, you turn on the video, and then you get a video, and then you go on to the next one. With the ones that paid more, you were in the store for a long time. You did have to go to a lot of aisles, so it was pretty time consuming. Obviously, once you do a couple of these, you'll get a little bit better, but there were a lot of people in my way. I had to wait for people to move and stuff like that. And then they asked for displays, so it was kind of like a hunt looking for these different displays. So I would definitely recommend this app. It's going to be a lot more work than the other ones that I'm talking about, but start with the lower paying ones, start with the ones that aren't that many aisle, and then this way you'll be able to work up to the bigger ones. And then there'll be times like I did the other day, there was like 5 of these high paying ones, like $17.50, like $16 at the same Target. So I was at Target for like an hour and a half taking videos. I don't really like being in the same store for that long, but it is a lot more profitable than driving all around town to 5 different stores to do 5 gigs. And the good thing about Hedle is the stores where I'm doing these gigs, a lot of the same stores will have a Field Agent. The next app that I want to talk about is Field Agent. This is the one that basically is the reason why I started this channel, because I just wanted to talk about this app and nobody I knew really cared. So with this app, there's going to be a map, there's going to be a list similar to Hetal, but these ones you can only reserve for 4 hours. Hetal you could reserve for a week. So with Field Agent, it's a lot more competitive, a lot more people know about it, and the jobs will disappear a lot faster. Most of them are going to only pay $3 to $5. A lot of people think it's not worth it. A lot of people think it's a waste of time. But if you're already going to Walmart to do a couple of Hedle gigs, why not take a couple of more pictures with Field Agent and make more? If you're already out doing Uber Eats, DoorDash, Instacart, why not reserve gigs at places you know you're going to be passing by and then do them? It's going to be a lot of pictures. Most of the gigs are going to require you to take pictures of whole aisles. So it'll be like the air freshener aisle, the chips aisle, and some of the stores like Sam's Club and Costco are going to have a really big aisle. So it is a lot of pictures. A lot of people feel uncomfortable if a staff member or someone's going to ask you about taking pictures. I would say that in busy stores like Sam's Club or Walmart, it's pretty easy to blend in. And then once you've done a few of these, I've done probably like close to 3,000 of these in the 10 years that I've been doing this app. You'll get really fast and really quick with taking the pictures and finding where the aisles are that you need to go, so you get in and out really fast. This app, I made over $10,000. That I've been using the app for over like 8 to 10 years, so that's my lifetime earnings. But this year I've been doing pretty well. It's pretty high for half a year that went by, and stacked with other apps, Uber Eats, DoorDash, Hetal, I've been able to keep busy. I used to be able to stack it with Moby, but unfortunately Moby is gone. So then I started using the other app that I'm going to talk about, and that app is called BeMyEye. This was another one that I was super excited when I was looking at it, because When I saw the map, when I saw the jobs, there was a lot of money worth of jobs, a lot of places that I already go to that would be perfect to make some extra money by using this app. This app is different though. It's not really photo audits. They don't want videos. It's more of a scavenger hunt. So Field Agent has some of these scavenger hunts sometimes. So there, you're gonna go to the store, you reserve it, and then you go to the store, Walgreens, CVS, Walmart, all the other stores that we do these gigs at, and then they're gonna give you a list like of a product, and they're not going to give you a picture or anything. They're going to give you a barcode and then like an abbreviated description, and you have to go and find this product. You only get paid like the $3 or $6 if you actually find the product. Once you find the product, you scan it and then you take a picture of all four sides. Now, a couple of times it worked out perfectly. I was at Sam's Club doing Field Agent gigs, and then I just had to find a watermelon, which was like the easiest thing to find. Scanned it, took a couple pictures, got paid $3 through PayPal. I've had ones where I was at PetSmart doing shop and delivers for DoorDash, and then it asked just for pet toys. They were easy to find. Got in, got out, got an extra $6. But then there was also times where I was at Walmart and I walked all the way around to the bakery aisle, to the sporting, like all around Walmart, and spent like 20, 30 minutes. And I didn't find the product at all. They still pay you like a couple of cents or something. But it's not like Field Agent where if you go there and it says you're making $6, you're going to make $6. So it's definitely, so it's up to you if it's worth using. For me, I kind of am thinking about stopping using it because a lot of times I'll be passing by, like I'll be on my way home and there'll be a Walgreens one right there. And I'm like, might as well do it, $3. And then I'll go there and just spend a bunch of time and only get paid a couple of cents. So I'll leave my link to join up for any of these apps. And if you have any questions about these side hustle apps, let me know and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Check out this video if you want to learn how to use Hetal and get the most out of it.